Hello, hello, hello there. Okay, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some stuffed pork chops, okay? So we're gonna pre-cook the pork chops about maybe 3/4 the way done, and then we're gonna put some stuffing on it and some gravy on top of that. How about that, huh? Okay, let's give it a try, shall we? Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Check out the links below. Thank you. Okay, so I have some seasonings. Let's put Lowry seasoning salt on here. We're going to do both sides. Garlic. Black pepper. I'm going to turn it over. Okay, we're going to put it, I already have the pan oiled with some olive oil, lightly on just on the bottom. Okay, and now we're going to put this in the oven on, I want to go 400, okay, until it's maybe 3/4 the way done, and then we're going to add our stuffing, alright? Okay, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so the pork chops is halfway done. I took them out and I'm going to turn them over. And now we're going to put our stuffing on the top. Now this is Pepperidge Farm stuffing mix, and I cooked some cornbread on top of the stove. So you put some olive oil in the frying pan and you make the cornbread as you usually do, which is cornbread, milk, and egg, and then you fry it in the frying pan. If you want to see me make that, you can follow the turkey and cornbread stuffing mix that I made in the previous video, okay? Alright, but if not, you can just use your regular stuffing if you don't want to do cornbread, and you make it, and you're going to put it right on the top like you see me doing here. Once the pork chops is halfway done. Okay, let me show you this. Now I'm going to put this back in the oven for maybe, I'd say 10 minutes or so, until the pork chops reach temp, okay? Alright, so I'll bring you back at that point. Okay guys, let's make our chicken gravy. I have some chicken gravy mix right here. Okay, and I have a tablespoon, okay? So let's add 1, 2, 3 heaping, see that? Tablespoons of gravy, chicken gravy. Alright, we're going to mix that in. Okay, and I'm going to give that a chance to start thickening up in a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to check on our stuffed pork chops, and I'll bring you right back. Okay guys, let me give you a quick word of the day. The quick word of the day is to stay strong, okay? We're almost through this epidemic. Stay strong. Pray, ask God to give you strength. Reach out to others if you need help, and stay strong. That's the word of the day. Okay, so our gravy is done, and we're gonna, and our stuffed pork chops is done. So let's put the gravy over the pork chops and let you see that. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, our gravy is done. That took all of 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just put some gravy right over the pork chops. That chicken gravy all over there. Oh boy, does that make it look lively. Look at that, guys. Stuffed pork chops covered in gravy. How about that, huh? Okay. So guys, I'm not going to taste it. You taste it for me, okay? I gotta run, but it's a pleasure serving you. I assure you it is absolutely delicious. Okay, so until next time, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.